Hi, starting from this video, I'm going to introduce you to JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level, dynamic and interpreted programming language that is primarily used for client-side scripting on the web. It allows developers to create interactive web pages, web applications and mobile applications. JavaScript was created by Brendan in 1995 while he was working at the Netscape Communications. Initially it was called Mocha, but later it was renamed to JavaScript. Key features of JavaScript. JavaScript is a dynamic type programming language, which means you don't need to declare the type of the variable before using it. First class functions. JavaScript functions are first class citizens, meaning they can be passed as arguments to other functions, returns from the functions, and stored in data structure. JavaScript is an object-oriented programming language that supports inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Async programming. JavaScript supports async programming, which allows developers to write non-blocking code that can handle multiple tasks at the same time. Uses of JavaScript. JavaScript is used for web development. JavaScript is used to create interactive web pages, web applications and mobile applications. Front-end development. JavaScript is used for client-side scripting, creating responsive user interfaces and handling user interactions. Back-end development. JavaScript is used for server-side programming with technologies like Node.js, Express.js, and Quay.js. Mobile app development. JavaScript is used for developing hybrid mobile applications using frameworks like React Native, Angular, Mobile, and Ionic. Desktop development. JavaScript is used for developing desktop applications using frameworks like Electrons and NW.js. Game development. JavaScript is used for developing games using frameworks like Quasar and Pixie.js. Advantages of JavaScript. JavaScript is supported by all modern web browsers, making it universal language for web development. Dynamic nature. JavaScript dynamic typing and flexibility makes it an ideal language for rapid prototyping and development. Extensive libraries. JavaScript has a very vast ecosystem libraries and frameworks that makes development easier and faster. Cross-platform. JavaScript can be used for developing applications that run on multiple platforms including web, mobile, and desktop applications. JavaScript do have disadvantages too. Depends on browser. JavaScript might work differently in different web browsers, which can cause problems. Security risk. Bad guys can use JavaScript to attract websites and steal information. One task at a time. JavaScript can only do one thing at a time, which might slow things down if there are too many different things to be done. No strong rules for data. JavaScript doesn't check if the data type are correct, so you might get errors that are hard to find. Hard to debug. Finding and fixing mistakes in JavaScript can be tricky, especially in the big projects. Not very vast. JavaScript is slower than some other programming languages, especially for tasks that needs a lot of computing power. Weird behavior. Sometimes JavaScript does things in a way that is unexpected or confusing, which can cause problems. Hard to manage big projects. As a project grows bigger, JavaScript can become harder to organize and keep track of. Memory issues. Sometimes JavaScript does not clean up memory properly, which can cause the website to slow down or crash. Even with the downsides, JavaScript is still very popular and widely used because it's flexible and constantly improving.